afternoon, good evening. Today I'm solving another question. Um, I was supposed to post this video like I think about 10 minutes ago, but I'm a little bit late, but it's okay. So this question is actually very simple. It is on the easy part. They are saying that you are given an array and you are asked to rotate the array. And so I've already written the solution, so I'll go through it with you. You know. So the solution is actually very simple. If you try to do it like one by one, as they have stated here, then you are going to run out of time. Your code will not be fast enough because the sample input it can be like I don't know, like 10, like 100,000 length. Like the array can be like 100,000 elements. So imagine trying to move all these 100,000 elements one by one. So it is actually very difficult. So the trick that you are supposed to see is that when you're asked to rotate something, by say 3 times or say 4 times, it is very simple. You just go to the back of the array and count like the number of times that they ask you to rotate it. So when you count from the back, you count to the number of times that they ask you to rotate it. You just cut those elements and you just paste them in front of the array and you are done. You have rotated it. And so this code just translates that into, like, this is that algorithm translated into code. So here we check if the array is 1 or 0, then that means that, like, there's no need to bother rotating it because it will still be the same. And yeah, here if the number of rotations is bigger than the length of the array, then that means that the actual rotation that we are going to do is just going to be the modular. Because say if you have like say a 5-element array and I ask you to rotate it 6 times, if you rotate it to the 5th time, like 5 times, you will still be from where you started. So like that means that the actual rotation that we're just going to do will just be 1. So like that's why I wrote this modulo, here. And yeah, I just use I converted it into a list because like the list has these like helpful functions that allows me to get like sub array. If I didn't do that, then I'll have to do all these things myself. So I just cheated and just use it. And I just used like the list. So this is what I was saying. You count from the back, the number of you count from the back, right? Um, the k, and then you put that one in front of the rest of the array, and that is the solution. So let's submit it and see. I've already submitted it a couple of times, to test what I was saying. Okay, so it passes all the test cases. It passes all the test cases, and it is relatively fast. So yeah, this is the solution. We'll see you tomorrow for another video and solve another question.